Hello and good morning, Alex over at Corbin Home Services. My name is Josh. We just spoke on Facebook. I want to get this custom video sent over to you guys, showing how we can increase traffic to your guys' website and increase sales as well in the meantime. So with that being said, we're going to go over a few things in this video, kind of showing how we can increase sales and how we can increase traffic to your guys' website and a few of the ways that you guys can tackle it yourself. So a few of the things that we want to do, first of all, is to your guys' website. First of all, you guys have a great looking website, super clean looking. I like the text is very easily readable. You guys have you got your book now button, you got call to actions right away. That's phenomenal. Phone numbers, you got your hours of availability right there and your location. That's all awesome. So whoever built this site has done a phenomenal job. But a few of the things that I'm seeing that you guys don't currently have on it is actually a lot of content. Google absolutely loves content. They'll rank you better for it. Not just specifically for content alone, but they definitely want a lot of that. I see you guys are licensed and bonded, insured, family owned. This is all awesome. You guys have some reviews here. So you guys are doing really awesome on your site, but you don't have a lot of that content. And we want to figure out, like, what do you mean by content, Josh, right? So I'm going to show you as an example here, one of our previous customers. He said we could use this as an example page. So this is Merrick Roofing LLC, where they are in Amory, Wisconsin, so fairly close to you guys. We just got done building their site out, and when we say content, we want all the same things that you guys currently have, but we want to have a lot more words like this, right? We got all these. We've got our keywords embedded in here. We want to make sure we target all of our specific keywords that we have. We want them all across our website. Same thing. We got the reviews. We've got all kinds of different content all across his website, right? And that's really going to help him rank a lot better online. So we want to be able to include that into your website. And one way we can figure out what keywords you guys are currently targeting is using a tool like this. It's called Ahrefs, right? And so Ahrefs gives me a good guideline of kind of where you guys sit online for your guys' backlinks, how many referring domains you have, and how many keywords you guys are currently targeting to your website. So as of right now, it's nothing. And one way we can kind of figure out, hey, what's somebody in my area or my competition, what are they doing that's working for them? So we're going to use your competition online, but we want to figure out how to get that, right? So we look up deck restoration services near me. I know that is your best possible way to, that's your guys' largest profit margin right now. So we want to target that. But so we're going to figure out deck restoration services, right? So the first thing we have that pops up is this Google My Business profile. You guys definitely are going to want to be up on here. And let's use A1 Restoration, right? These guys are a general contractor. It looks like maybe roofing, windows and doors. So not exactly what you guys do, but we want to figure out why are these guys at the top of the rankings online, right? And how are they getting so much traffic to their website? So same thing, we're going to take their URL, we're going to put it into Ahrefs, and we're going to figure out what they're doing for all of their data. So as of right now, these guys have 1.5 thousand backlinks. Backlinks are huge. We want to make sure that we get this number up. That way we can start to rank more online, because the more backlinks we have, the better we're going to rank. But also with our keywords, right? We want to figure out what these guys are targeting for keywords and why keywords are important. So these guys are currently targeting 129 keywords, and these guys aren't even doing very well. So that's good to see. And I don't know if you saw, but we were searching in your guys' area. So this should be your competition. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's why we're going to use these guys. So once this wants to load up here, so we're going to figure out why our keyword's important and why do we want to have content on our site, right? So first things first, we have Pella window installation, right? There's a 450 search volume for that specific keyword every single month. And these guys are only position 18 for it, right? So we want to have good high volume keywords, and we want to be able to get in good positioning. So these guys aren't even really doing all that incredible, but this is a good example to show. So they also have weather in Medina, Minnesota. I don't know why that's a weird word, but there's 250 search volume for that, right? So we want to go out and we want to figure out all of the high search volume keywords in your guys' niche, whether that is deck restoration, pressure washing, gutters, painting, house painting, stuff like that. We want to go figure out what all of the good keywords are for your services, and we want to include them into your website. Not to mention, we also want all of those backlinks as well. We want all kinds of different backlinks. We have citations, which is like a a Facebook page where it has your business name, phone number, email address, contact information. That could be a Facebook page, it could be a YouTube page, Twitter page, Yellow Pages, BBB. It could be anywhere, right? We also have, sorry, blanking here, guest posts. A guest post would be something along the lines of a Chamber of Commerce page, right? Your guys' local Chamber of Commerce. You could probably pay them in order to get a link onto their site or a guest post on their site, and that draws you guys a bunch of power. So, with all of that being said, we want to do all of these avenues in order to start gaining our presence online. And once we start doing all of that, then we're going to rank better on Google, and we're going to be able to get more traffic to our website. Not to mention, I see you guys we're currently already posting sponsored ads on Facebook, which is how I found you guys through this one right here. So you guys are already aware of that. You know, we need to invest some money in our business and get our name out there. That hey, you know, we want to be able to say, hey, we do free deck restoration estimates, right? So you guys currently already know the value in that. So with that being said, that's why I wanted to send you guys this custom video over to you guys, showing how you can start to increase your traffic online, and bottom line, will increase your sales. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to us. We'd be happy to assist you in any way possible, or just let us know how we did in this video. Regardless, I wanted to get this sent over to you guys to help you out. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.